March 7th, 8 o'clock-ish in the morning. Just drove from home to work, actually a different building, so a little bit further. I'm in Palm Bay. Parked, and the Jeep will not restart. Tried what I tried yesterday with regards to moving it out of park into neutral and back into park, but it's not working today. So key in the ignition, turn on. Check engine lights on and turn the key. No start. Again, put the key in, switch to on. Out of park, into neutral. Back into park. And try it again. Nothing. Actually, it was saying before on the dash that the vehicle is not in park. Where it says north 65 degrees, now it's not saying that anymore. So you can see it's in neutral. To drive, neutral, back park, switch it off, back on. Turn the key, nothing. Says it's not in park, neutral. Back in. And it is 8:16.